In order to subscribe to my channel, please click here or click here. Please share, comment and like my videos and channel. Hello guys, welcome to SaaS with ServiceNow. This video is about quick navigation in ServiceNow. If you are a ServiceNow administrator or a ServiceNow developer, you must be navigating to different records, modules, and configuration frequently. There are some ways by which you can access these records and modules with quick commands and URLs. ServiceNow provides two ways of accessing records and modules quickly. One is by using commands in Application Navigator, and another one is by changing URL schema. Let's see commands in Application Navigator. Prerequisite. Before you learn and apply these commands in Application Navigator, you need to know that these commands can only work in UI 16. First command to open list of table records in same window. And the command is table name dot list. This will show you list of records in a table mentioned in the command. However, it will open in the same window. Let's take a look. This is my personal developer instance. In the left hand side, you will see Application Navigator. Let me make this screen a little bit big so that you can see what command I am putting. Now this is the box where you can put the commands provided by ServiceNow. Now ideally you search for application and modules in this filter box. However, if you have UI 16, then you can put these commands as well here and it will give you some results. So let's see list of problem records. That means problem is a table. So I will do problem dot list. List should be in lowercase and I will press enter. When you will press enter, you can see list of problem records of your instance. As of now, it is showing all the problem records of my instance. Now there is a difference in behavior when you use uppercase or lowercase word after dot. You will see it soon. Another command we have opening list of table records, but this time in new tab. And the command is table name dot list in uppercase. This time the list is in uppercase and list of records will also be visible in new tab. Let's take a look. Here I will just type maybe problem, same table. So we will have problem table and then I will do dot list in uppercase and I will press enter. Now when you will press enter, you can see it is opening new tab and you can see same list for problem records. However, this time it opened in new tab. So this is the difference between list in lowercase, list in uppercase. Next command is to open new form of a table in same window. And the command is table name dot form and form is in lowercase. Now this will open new form of any table in ServiceNow in the same window. So I will go to Application Navigator here and I will put problem, that's a table name, dot form in lowercase and I will press enter. When you will do that, you will see it will open new problem form. You can fill the data and you can also create new problem record. Now same form can also be opened by using another command and that is table, or let's say this time we will open incident form. So we will do incident. Now incident is also a table. I will do dot and I will now put dot do. So if you will do dot do, it will still act this like same. So like it will open the form with dot form and it will do the same with dot do as well. And if I press enter, you will see it will open new incident form and you can fill the data and you can create new incident record. So this is how you can see that we are able to access these forms, these configurations quickly. Now another command is to open same new form but in new tab. And the command is table name dot form and form is in uppercase. So in application navigator, if I do incident dot and I just do form in uppercase, I press enter, it will take me to the new tab and it will open the same kind of form, incident form, and I can now put the data and create new incidents. So that's how you're able to navigate to new incident form or any tables records form quickly. Next command is to open configuration view of a table in same window. Configuration view shows all the configurations of a table like business rules, client scripts, dictionary, and all other information in one page. And the command is table name dot config, and config is also in lowercase. And if I go to my personal developer instance, I will close this one. Here I will do problem and I will do dot and I will type config, and if I press enter, this will open the whole configuration list for problem table. You can see it is openings. It has shown business rules, client scripts, dictionary entries, dictionary overrides, all the configuration page. You can also access this page directly when you go to configure, and if you go to all, it will open same page. But this is how you can navigate directly, quickly with the help of this command. Next one is to open same configuration view of a table but in new tab, and the command is table name dot config in capital letters in uppercase. So if I go here and I just do, maybe this time we will open it for incident. So I will do incident dot in capital letters, that means in uppercase, we have config, and I press enter. If you will do that, you will see it is opening the new tab, and now it has opened configuration for incident table. You can see all those configurations. So this is how you can apply different commands in application navigator and navigate to different forms, different lists, different configurations available in ServiceNow for different tables and records. URL navigation. Now we will see how can you navigate to forms, list quickly with URLs. Main URL. This is the main URL which will never change for an instance. The only change for quick navigation would be after this URL, where you have to provide different schemas you can use available in ServiceNow, and then you can access different type of list or forms directly, quickly with the help of those quick schemas. Starting with opening a page in standard interface. The standard interface is the main UI, which has application navigator, banner frame, and content frame. So if I go here and if I close this tab, now this is the standard UI of ServiceNow. This is the standard interface. We have application navigator and we have the content pane, we have banner frame. But when you open the records in a new tab where you don't see just the page, that's not the standard interface. This is the standard interface. Now, any page opened in this interface will always have, so if I take you here, it says nav_2.do question mark URI equal to. So every page being opened in that standard user interface, you will have this nav_2.do question mark. And if I go to my personal developer instance here and I go to address bar, so as of now, maybe I will just go to home page. So we have opened the home page of our instance. And if you go to address bar, which is at the top, you can see automatically it is showing nav underscore do question mark URI equal to, and it is opening the page, the URI. You need to give the URI, and this is what you need to change. So whatever schema you will mention here, that's how it will change the configuration or the navigation. It will navigate to different elements of your ServiceNow. If you want to open a form list UI page via URL, then you need to use page name .do. Now this page name can be used to open a UI page, list of records, or form. And if I go to my address bar here in my personal developer instance, after URI, for example here, I just delete whatever I had. And if I put here incident.do and I just press enter, you will see that this will open new incident form. You can see that it has opened. So I'm able to navigate, and now it is opening new incident form. You just need to put basically table name. So if I come here, and it's just maybe this time I do maybe change request. Change request is another table. So I will do change underscore request dot do, and I press enter. You will see that this will open change form. It's a new change form. You can provide the details and create a new change request record. If you want to open list of records of a table via URL navigation, so as we open the form, you can also access list of records for a table. And what exactly you have to use? You have to use table name underscore list dot do. If you will use this in the URL, it will open the list of records for that table. So if I go to my address bar of my instance, and here maybe I will just remove this, and I will do maybe change underscore request underscore list. That means table name is change underscore request underscore list dot do. And if I do dot do and I press enter, now this will open list of change request records. You can see it is showing me all the change request records of my personal developer instance. You can also open any particular record with sysid. That means sysid of that record. So if I go to my instance, and let's say if I copy the sysid of this particular record, I'm just doing copy sysid. That's an option. I can get it in this particular menu. And if I go to my URL here, and I just remove everything till here, so we will have URI equal to. Now here, I will do change underscore request dot. We have table. You will do dot do. We will do question mark, and here you will put sys underscore id. I will do equal to, and I will paste that sysid which we just copied, and now you press enter. You will see that this will open that same change record. You can see that it has opened same change record which we copied the sysid. You can also open a new form for a table with URL. That means to create a record. So if you have to create a new record and you want to open the new form, that is also you can do. You just need to use sys underscore id equal to -1. So if I come here now in the same URL which we had, so maybe I will remove everything again. So till end I will remove it, and here I will put change underscore request, or maybe this time we will change the table. We will do it for incident. So I will do incident dot do. I will do question mark and do sys underscore id equal to what I need to put, I need to put -1 for new form. And if I press enter, you will see that this will open new incident form. So we were able to open it with the help of .do. In command, we were able to open it with the .form as well. And you can also do it if you will put sysid equal to -1. It will open the new form for that particular table, and you can provide the data and create the record. You can also put page parameters to change the view, filter list of records, sort the records in the list, and limit the number of records. And parameters we have like sysperm_view, sysperm_query, sysperm_order, sysperm_force_row_count. Before I show you the example in my instance for these parameters, let me show you two more elements of the schema which you have to use. And which is used to separate the parameters. So if you will put multiple parameters in the URL, you have to use and so that you can separate them. Another one is caret. In caret, it is something which is on the 6th key on your keyboard. That's something that's called caret. So the basically character you see just above or basically on the 6th number key, that's the caret character. So if I go to my personal developer instance, let's see these parameters that how exactly you can use. So as of now, I'm in this page, and what I will do, let me open incident list. So I will do incident_list, and I have incident_list.do. And if I press enter, what it will return? As you know, this will return all the incident records. Now, what if I want to filter the records? Now, if you want to filter the records, in that case, what you will do, I will show you the command. I will do incident.do. You will do ? and then you will put sysperm_, you will do query. And if you will do query, you have to do equal to. So let's say we will just show active records. And for that, we can do active equal to true. That's basically a backend name of that particular field, active, and true, false. That's how the field is. And if I press enter, let's see what happens. I think it opened the incident, but I think, let me check. I think we didn't do incident_list. So let me do that again. I do incident_list.do, and I do ? I do sysperm_query, and I do equal to active equal to, I just do true, and I press enter. Let's see what happens. Yes, you can see that we are able to get only active records. This time we have 39 records. Well, that's how you can filter the records in the URL as well. Let's say in the same list, we want to limit the number of records. So as of now, you can see it is showing 20 records out of 39 records. So if I want to filter it, so I will just remove it from here, and I will provide that data again, incident_list.do ? And I have this active, or maybe I will remove this query for now. And this time I will give sysperm_force_row_count. And if I do, let's say I will just limit 5 records. So it will show me the list of records, but as of now, it was showing me, I think, around 20 records. But this time it will just show me 5 records out of all the records I have in incident table. So if I press enter, you will see it is returning only 5 records. And if I will change the count, it will show me as per the count I will mention. So this is how you can use these parameters and utilize and navigate to different records, different forms, modules directly, very quickly in ServiceNow. I hope this session will be very useful to you guys to navigate quickly in ServiceNow. So if you like my video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos to your colleagues, to your friends. Thank you and have a great day.